Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about variables in Python. Today, we learn how to take input from the user using the input function and how to convert data types using typecasting. By the end of this video, you will be able to create interactive Python programs that accept user input and perform calculations. Let's get started. So far, we have been assigning values directly. For example, name. But what if we want the user to enter their own name? That's where the input function comes in. Let's take one example. Let's run this. The program pauses and waits for the user to enter a value. I have entered Rahul. It has printed the value of name Rahul. Whatever the user types is stored in the variable. Let's make it more interesting. Let's run this. Hello, Rahul. We can ask for more than one value. Let's run the code. This makes programs interactive. Everything entered through input is stored as a string by default. Even though we entered a number, Python stores it as a string. This becomes a problem when we perform calculations. Let's take one example. If the user enters 10, the output will be 10, 10, not 20. Why? Because Python is joining two strings. To solve this problem, we use typecasting. Typecasting means converting one data type into another. Common typecasting functions are int, float, string, bool. Let's take one example. Now Python treats age as a number. Let's take more examples of integer typecasting. If the user enters 10 and 20, the output is 30. Now addition works correctly. Another type of typecasting is float typecasting. Float is useful for decimal values. Let's run the code. String typecasting. We can convert numbers into strings with the help of str function. This is useful when combining numbers with text. Let's take a mini project, age after 5 years. Let's run the code. Enter your current age. So after 5 years, you will be 25 years old. Let's take another small project which will calculate exam percentage. Percentage, your percentage is, let's run the code. Enter marks obtained. Enter total marks. Your percentage is 90%. One more example of travel time calculator. Distance, speed, time is calculated as distance divided by speed. Let's print. The time required is time. Let's run the code. Let's say 120 is the distance, speed is 60, so time required is 2 hours. This is a practical real life example using input and typecasting. So today we learned input function, taking user input, why input stores data as strings, typecasting using int, float, string, real world mini projects. In the next video, we'll learn operators in Python and start building more useful programs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy coding.